Choose your own adventure with Onyx, the 2019 Mercedes-Benz two-wheel drive Sprinter 170. This four-season vehicle was specifically designed to get you in a van today. Onyx has an open floor plan with options for additional seating, including captain's chairs or three-person bench seats. These seats can be placed in a number of various configurations depending on your needs. You'll have the benefit of skipping our wait list when installing additional seating, cabinetry, galley, water system, or any current custom outside van options. Visit outsidevan.com today to view our current available vehicles.